Hello friends, today we are going to see HTML form. HTML form. In day-to-day life, we have them across many offices, school, colleges, hospitals, etc. To get admission or apply for any kind of request for service, we need to fill the form. Basically, form is nothing but some sort of template or set of questions that which you would write the answer, or it is your information. Similarly, over internet, if you want to consume any service or want to get registered or log in on a website, first you need to do to submit your information. And to do that, HTML forms come in picture. So we may conclude that form are the medium to accept input from end user so that we can collect the required information from end user. Form, basically form tag. Form tag is used to write HTML form. It is container tag and contain the other tags within it as other element as follows. Basically what I have done, I have written form tag, rather I would call it as a opening form tag, and this is a closing form tag. And within this I have mentioned some elements like element 1, element 2, and it will go long as you want. So it is like element n. Which are the different form elements? Following are the frequently used form elements. Number 1 is text box, used to take alphanumeric input from end user as follows. Here you can see email field is there where I am using text box to take input. Also for address I am using text box to take input from end user. Next is a radio button, used to select the one of the option out of many option as follows. So here you can see the t-shirt scenario. So I need to specify which size I am going to use for a t-shirt. So small, medium, large, extra large, double XL is there. Out of which I have selected only one option, that is large. Next is checkbox, used to select the multiple choices out of multiple option as follows. In this scenario, you may observe there are total 3 options. Out of those I have selected multiple, that is 2 options. So using checkbox I can select multiple options at a time. Drop down list is there, used to select one option out of multiple option as follows. Again we will discuss, let's say, t-shirt scenario. So here we can select n number of elements out of given choice. Which are the different form element in under that? Again we are going to see button, used to trip some mechanism. It could be reset or submit or calling any JavaScript, etc. So we are familiar with this button. Basically, to submit the form we use submit button. Again, to clear the contents of input element we use reset button. Form to design. Basically I have mentioned some scenario like order your t-shirt, and for this I have given some requirement like we need to have some, let's say, text boxes for inputting the name, that is first name and the last name. Again, for selecting the gender we need to have or design some radio buttons. Again, to choose the size we are going to use drop down list, and to submit or cancel the contents we have taken submit and cancel button. Let's see the source code. For this I have mentioned the document type, that is HTML. HTML is the tag under which I'm going to write body tag, and within body tag I'm going to write form tag. For action, so hold this data where to submit it. So that is the thing. Understand, as of now, it is the targeted page, you can say, where to submit this data. So first name, for first name I have written, let's say, text box. For this I need to mention input type equal to text, again id equal to fname and name equal to fname. By default value I need to see or enter like home, that is first name last name. Again for last name I have mentioned input tag and type equal to text, id equal to lname, name equal to lname, value equal to khare. Again, select your gender. For this scenario I need to have a radio button because only one option need to be selected. So for gender, either you could select male or female, that is the case. Now for drop down menu, what I have done is I have used select tag. Under select tag I have mentioned multiple option tags for multiple options. So small size is there, medium size is there, large size is there, XL size there. So you can add multiple options, as many as you want. Again, last but not the least, buttons. So for that I have taken two buttons for submitting the form data. Submit button is there, and for resetting the form values I have used reset button. And again, form tag is closed, body tag is also closed, and finally HTML tag is closed. Now that's it from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day.